So hello viewers, today I will talk about how can you write some emails through ChatGPT. So I think you have already heard about this AI, and actually it's very helpful in all perspectives, and this is open for everyone, so I think you guys could check it and get some help that you need right now. So actually today I'm gonna show you how to write email through ChatGPT. It's basically so easy. So let's start it. So ChatGPT is really speedy and it's helpful. So okay, so how to do is actually just write the question of your email. I mean, how write an email to my friend to know about the weather in New York. So let's see how actually ChatGPT gives us. So it's pretty interesting, right? Actually, it's giving all the basic things that you need to write an email. Actually, it's writing the whole email. You just need to put your friend's name here and your name here, and all the things is quite wonderful. Okay, so let me go for another email. Write an email to your friend. Okay, so here it will be to my friend. How could you how could I visit him? Okay, let's see how it happened. It's wonderful and amazing. Look, so things has changed really so fast, and we can know many things through ChatGPT, and I hope you guys would easily get to know more about this through using. Okay, so here I can create some wedding invitation through ChatGPT. It is very simple, like create an wedding create wedding invitation. Let's see how actually it creates. This is superb. If I just write the city name, then it would definitely put the city name here in this area. So if you could give the proper information to ChatGPT, then it could basically give you the right answer, and we all know that. So this is so simple and easy for everyone to do. You just need to create an account in ChatGPT, and all the things is pretty simple, and the user interface is quite good. Okay, let's try something funny or something more useful. Write an email to my wife to be telling her about our wedding anniversary. Let's see how it gives us. Happy anniversary, my love. Yeah, my dearest. uh, the person who don't know how to write or how to tell your wife about your wedding anniversary wishes, you can just write down in the ChatGPT, and it would give you the correct answer and all the things you need to know about your wedding plan and other things, anniversary plan. It's quite interesting how it actually creates those things. Look, the emotion that it gives in the chat, it's quite interesting. Okay, let's try something more useful. Write an email to my professor about the project proposal. Okay, and it is creating the subject on its own. So this is also quite good, that if you don't know what kind of subject you should write, and most of the cases we do things wrongly, we don't know which subject would go with this. So this is also helpful because it's giving me the subject here. So that's all from today's video. Hopefully you guys would understand, and please subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.